Citizens of Deithor falling under Duarbagar constituency benefits from pineapple farming. Karbi Anglong is very rich in organic agricultural productions. Various numbers of fruits and vegetables can be found in the region. For instance, pineapples from Deithor, known for extra sweetness and its quality, is one of the most famous production from Karbi Anglong. This had influenced the people of Deithor to cultivate pineapples over huge areas in the region, and it had benefited the citizens of Duarbaguri constituency. This had contributed in manifesting fellow citizens to be self-reliant, as they are now able to manage their necessities from the sources they had benefited from pineapple farming. Likewise, the villagers from Rongsangti, Thedong, Thijok Langso Thokwam, Langparpan had been benefiting from pineapple farming since last few years. The local informed that they generate a revenue of over rupees 2 lakhs per annum from pineapple plantations. They could fund their children's education fees. They could purchase houses and vehicles from the money they earned through pineapple farming. News Desk report, Karbi Anglong Live.